Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am making Jamaican style carrot and beet juice using Jamaican Lasco and Supligen. Come on, let me show you how I do this one, Sister J's way.
You know, Cinnamon, where you the voice in Lucy and Shot Boss. I'm here represent for the most creative person by YouTube. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J word, I hear a word.
So here I have 2 beets and 5 carrots. And I'll be using the juicer for this one. So I'll go ahead and wash and peel the beet and the carrot. So here's the juicer that I'll be using to juice my carrot and beet. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel the carrots and the beets to start the juicing. So now I have all my carrots peeled and my beet peeled and cut up. So I'm juicing one at a time. Only liquid I'll be using would be the Supligen. And as I mentioned before, I'm using my Jamaican Lasco in it, and the flavor is carrot. Yes. And I'm going to be using Supligen also. So yeah, man, authentic Jamaican style carrot beet juice. Just like how Mama used to do it. I saw me I do it today. I use Lasco in it. Lasco. But this is Jamaican Lasco tastes good. Yeah, man. So I continue to do the juicing right here. So guys, did you hit that subscribe button if you're not yet connected with me? Did you hit that like button? Did you put that thumbs up? And did you share me out? Thank you so much. I thank you. Thank you so much for the love and support. I thank you. I really appreciate the love. Guys, I'm continuing to do my little juicing right now. I'm adding the carrots. And yes, I can't wait to finish juicing this juice. 100% natural juice. Yes. Carrot, beet juice. And you know, guys, when I was living in Jamaica, if my mother never gave us carrot juice on any day of the week, and Sunday, it's a must. Yes, it is a must. Carrot juice, whether it have the beet in it or it's just the carrot with the other stuff. But hey, on Sunday, our carrot juice is a must. If you are a Jamaican and you can relate to this one, drop me a comment. Let me know. This was our Sunday juice. Yeah, man. Nah lie. Same way so I go. And me I pick up Mama style today. Cause you know what? Sometimes she used to use the Lasco and sometimes she uses sweetened condensed milk. And you know what? Sometimes she put like a Guinness in it and sometimes she put some Jagan in it too. Hey, you think Mama easy? Yeah, man. Mama Velma, big up yourself. Yeah. Can't even put her up on YouTube because last time I put her up on Facebook and me tell them, please don't tell Mama. And me say, it better me to tell them, say tell Mama. Everybody tell Mama about it. But guys, here are the ingredients. Here's my Lasco, my carrot Lasco, and my cinnamon, and my nutmeg, and the Supligen over there, so, and the vanilla. Now I'm adding the Lasco to the carrot and the beet. Yes. And then me just I go add in the nutmeg and the cinnamon. And I'm gonna mix this in and stir it out. Yeah. Mix it in and stir it out. Yeah, man. So now I'm gonna add in some. Yes. I'm gonna add in some vanilla. And then I'm gonna add in the Supligen. Yes. So guys, the Lasco is sweet and the Supligen sweet. So you know, so me now had no sugar to this one. But if you love your juice sweet, add some sugar to it and you're good to go. And if you're not making it for the entire family, you know, you can add liquor, J-Ray and Neville in it. Me like it in the two. But this one is without it, okay? So the juice ready. So I just put some ice in the glass. I'm using 2 glasses. And now I'm pouring the juice in. And this is ready to serve. Yes, ready to serve. And guys, if you don't want to water down your juice, like what you see me I do then, or I throw it on ice, you just put it in the refrigerator and then you pour it in your glass. So in that way, your juice no water down. So you just do it like this. Straight like that. No water down. And yeah, juice ready to go. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love, guidance. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more.